Before we get started, subscribe to my channel. I'm no CPA, just to let you guys know. I'm a certified welding inspector and a welder, but sometimes you got to do some things on your own. You know, my CPA wasn't available to get me a Schedule C, so I had to create a Schedule C there on my own. It's fairly simple. It's just a two-page. A Schedule C is a profit loss for your business. So I'm going to show you how easy this is to do. First, what you want to do is go to Google, just do a search. Search for a Schedule C tax form. And what you want to do in the search, you want to get the one from the IRS. So you go down here, you see right here where it says www.irs.gov. It's about a Schedule C. You just click on it. And you're going to come to this page right here. It got instructions and everything. And it's a lot of videos there on YouTube that you can follow. It'll walk you through the process. But what you want to do is just click on this form. And you can fill it out right here. The best thing to do is just go ahead and download it. And just put it in on your desktop, wherever you want to put it. And hit save. Okay, now what you want to do is go ahead and open that form up. And I got one that's kind of pre-filled out already. It's the Schedule C profit loss example. So I'm going to open that up. And I'm going to walk you through. This is what the form looks like for 2021. Okay, this form is very easy to fill out. What you want to do is right here say put your name, which you put your name right here, then your social security number. And mine is a YouTube channel. So I put my YouTube and you can enter the code. And my code, I'm just enter a code. This is just an example, but it's a link with all the codes. If I can remember, I'll put the link in the description below so you can click on the code, the instructions, and figure out what code you use for your particular business. And your business address. If it's your home address, you put it right here, your city, Houston, Texas. And then right here, accounting method. Most times you're going to click cash, or you could do this right here, but most of the time it's going to be cash. It says, do you materially participate? Put yes. If you started this, if you started or acquired this business during 2021, mine wasn't. If you started in 2021, you want to check this. Are you going to issue a 1099? I'm going to click no. I'm not going to issue a 1099 to nobody. If yes, you want to click here. But anyway, that's common sense. You don't, if you click no and then click yes, that's conflict of interest. But anyway, you go down here, the gross receipts of sales, your total amount. I'm just giving you an example, 100,000, and returns and allowances. You can put it there. If you return $1,000, you're going to subtract $1,000 from that. But then you just line 3 subtract line 2 from 1, which I didn't return anything, and the goods that were sold, you can put it there, and the profits from line 4 and 3 subtract and go so on and on. Okay. Then right here, expenses. If you have any expenses, like last year I had depreciation of my vehicle, I put it on line 13, but I don't have any depreciations or anything. If I was using a legal service to do my taxes, like last year my CPA, will put that amount right there. Then you can deduct that from your profit. But the total expenses before expenses of business use for the home, and go right there. And then you go right here. If you're using your house on line 30, like I say my house is 3,500 square feet, and you could use 300 square feet at $5 a square feet, which is $1,500. You subtract that from the 100,000, you come up with 98,500. You just go on and just read all these instructions. I won't make this video long, but it's pretty simple. And you go on down here, the cost of goods and sales. And if you're doing a lot of sales and different things like that, like my YouTube, it's just commercials. I get it from ads and things like that. So I don't have to worry about any of this other stuff. And you go on and on. You can read this. And if you got other expenses, if not, that's it. The form is finished. So If you need to get one of these done quickly, that's the way you do it. Like I got my number from my taxes that I did last year. This number, like I said, I'm gonna find a link and put it in the description so it can give you your different codes. If you're selling clothing, if you're doing lawn service, it's different codes for each type of business. And this right here, your business name, if you got an LLC, you probably want to name it as a LLC. Like I was for a food truck, it's J Harvey's Grill. We'll put J Harvey's Grill in that right there. But mine's a YouTube, so I just use my name, not the LLC. But anyway, if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.